In this video, I'll show you how you can install more trade slots for Sims 4. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up browser. Then you just need to write more trades in CAS. And then select more trades in CAS by CurseForge. Then you need to select the file and download it. Don't worry, it's not harmful to download from CurseForge. Once it's downloaded, I have here too, so I delete one. Then you just need to right click on the file, extract all, and then extract to desktop. Then once you have this file here, open up File Explorer, then go to Documents, then go to Electronic Arts, then Sims 4, Mods. If you don't have Mods folder, just create one, and drag and drop the pancake thing here. Then you just need to launch the game, okay? And we will wait. Once the game is loaded up, go to Game Options, press Escape, go to Game Options, Other, make sure these two options is enabled. If it's not enabled, enable it, apply the changes and restart the game. And then if we press on New Game, we can see that we have more slots. As you can see here, we have more slots. So if I help you out, please press like.